You have to look at me. I mean, not me, to the board. So you cannot put your back on me or toward me. So, hello everyone. How are you guys doing today? Good? I like to see how you guys are having a group conversation everywhere. It's wonderful. As long as you do your work while you talk. So my plan for today is this. I'm going to do few implicit differentiation questions. Guys, attention please. Few questions myself, 2 of them. And then I'm going to give you 5 or 6 questions for you to do. And then before you leave, 10 or 15 minutes before, I'm going to give you a quiz.
What?
On implicit differentiation. Okay? Today. We are going to do few implicit differentiation questions today. So you cannot complain because I'm going to go over all the things you need to know. Pedro. Test I did not, but I posted the review sheet. Next week Thursday.
Not Tuesday. No, we tell them Tuesday to we have the longer. I agree.
Tuesday. Okay.
Thank you.
I can tell you on Tuesday.
I'm fine.
You want to take the exam tomorrow?
No, this Friday because what's on the
I have to think.
Alright.
And I have to look at the old finals. So I do not have time today. I have my own class after your class. So I have to rush to Columbia.
Wait,
Columbia. Yeah.
How
How far? I go with bus. It takes 1.5 hours. Huh? No, I'm taking my own class. Yeah. I'm doing PhD at Columbia. Huh? Math education.
That's your major, right?
Yeah. It means learn math, how to teach math. Okay, this is what education is. Math education. So I'm learning how to teach better. Okay, ready? Okay, implicit differentiation. It says find the equation of the tangent line of the curve when y is -1. Oh, let me remind you, today is the last day to drop any class. So if you're deciding to drop any class, including this class, today is the last day. Okay? And if you decide to stay in this class, please work harder.
We need pen.
There are so many classes, including business, statistic, and other math, other not related math. Also depends on the grade you get in this class. Okay? So if you already scheduled your next semester but failed this class, you're going to reschedule everything for next semester. Trust me. If you already have a schedule for next semester, which you already built, but if you fail this class, that means your schedule will be messed up because so many classes, it has the requirement this class. 2.8, implicit differentiation. So if you decide to stay, please pass. Do not fail. I don't want to see any F. And it's actually possible. I taught this class 2 years ago, and when I taught it, there was only one student who dropped. The rest of the class passed. It was incredible. So passing is possible with me. But please work harder. I opened all the homework, I believe, if I'm not wrong. So please complete all the homework. You did? You really did? You just got the code a few days ago. Wow, incredible. So whatever homework you have, please complete them. Okay, quiz. We're going to have a quiz on this. Find the equation of the tangent line. So equation of any line is what? Y minus y1 equals good job. Now this time they gave us y1. So it's not G, it's Y actually. Pen? Can anyone lend him a pen, please? You have your friends next to you. How come they're not lending you anything?
No, he got 3 or 4. Nah, he's lying.
So this
I
time,
love you, bro.
this time we have y1.
Not funny to me at all.
So we need to know what is our slope and what is x1.
This is some booty.
Let's find the x1 first. If you know your y, how can you find x? Solve it. So we have 2 times x. Our y is given -1 minus x. 3 times y is given -1. So you substitute y instead of x. We get -2x minus x is -3. And then what? -2x minus x is how much? -3x is -3. So to get the x alone, what do we do? By -3. So we have our x equals 1. So we found our x1. So you're happy. From 3 missing things, we already found 2 of them. Now we need the m. Question is, what is m? Derivative. So since this is implicit differentiation, here m means y prime or dy dx. Okay, this is what it means here. Yeah. And then you need to substitute your slope with x equals 1, y equals -1. Because you need a number for m, not a formula for m. So we write 2xy minus x equals 3y. Do you remember when you have x and y together, what do we do? We have to use what? Product rule. So let's say F is the first one, G is the second one. Anytime x and y together, it's product rule. So what is F prime? And G prime? Huh? What did you say? Y prime. So if G is y, its derivative is the prime, y prime. And then we do, what's the product rule? G prime F. So you're changing one function at a time and you're multiplying by unchanged function. So our F prime is 2. We are multiplying by our G function, which is y, plus our G prime is y, F y prime. And our F is 2x. I'm writing 2x before y prime because y prime should be the last element.
Why do you write y prime? When you,
Because if G is y, then what is G prime? What is derivative G?
Yeah.
Y prime. Okay, then minus. What's the derivative of x? 1. What's the derivative of 3y? Only 3? 3 and then y prime. Anytime you take the derivative of y, you have to have a y prime. So this 2y doesn't have any y prime, so we need to subtract. y. This one doesn't have any y prime, so we need to add. So they get cancelled out. Let's see. On the other hand, our y prime is on the other side. So let's bring this y prime to the right. Or maybe we can do the other way around. Well, it doesn't matter. Subtract 3y prime from both, so they cancel out. So 2xy prime minus 3y prime equals 1 minus 2y. Now we have y prime twice. So what do we do? Factor. So if you factor out your y prime, 2x minus 3 equals 1 minus 2y. So we divide, we get 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3, and we have our y prime is 1 minus 2y over 2x minus 3. Now what do we do? We have to plug in x with 1, y with -1. And that's going to give us our slope. 1 minus 2 times -1, 2 times 1 minus 3. I don't have space. So 1 plus 2 divided by 2 minus 3, which is -1. So what is 1 plus 2? 3. And what is 3 divided by -1? -3. So we write the equation of the tangent line. Equation of the tangent line is y and x. Y minus, what is our y1? -1. How much is the slope we found? -3. What is our x1? 1. And now we just have to solve for y. So this is plus, this is distribution. I get y plus 1, -3x plus 3. Subtract 1, and we got our equation, -3x plus 2. So part 1, part 2, and this is part 3. I see you're going to have a quiz later on this. Late work. What is late work? Easy. He told me the same thing last time. But how it means easy, like late work. Or late work.
It's not hard.
Or light. I thought late work. Late. It's like late. Light makes sense, yeah. Okay. Now try this one. Good news here, you don't have to find. Actually, never mind, not the slope. Find the equation. You need practice. Find the equation. Equation of the tangent line. Equation of the
Also, every tangent.
No, curve tangent line of the curve here. Curve means it's a curve. It's a curve. Find the equation of the tangent line of this curve at the point 4, 1. So at least you don't have to do one part. You don't have to find either x1 or y1. They gave you both of them. We just have to find the slope and the equation. Are you guys done copying the equation of the tangent line? So try this one. Do the exact same thing what you did before in the last one. Let me take that one back. It's a good time. Today is 11/6. Dominica here, Salahuddin here, Arsla, Alsant, Maxine here, Zoe here, Jolene here, Prince here, Hayden here, Ellen here, Asid here, Spiley, I saw you, right? Here. You know, you sit everywhere, so I have to find you every day. Alice here, Jasmina here, Alexandra here, Jennifer here, Jessie here, Johnny here, Afiz. At least one person dropped. Tarin, I mean, he never showed up. Afiz.
So I see him the first week.
Yeah, only the first week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So 2 weeks. He came for 2 weeks. And then he disappeared. I don't know.
He's an Indian.
Tarin here, Pedro here, Erika here. Erika, you're here, right? Yeah. Jawad here, Sayom. Anywhere, Sayom? I saw him earlier. He's skipping my class.
Ooh.
Sayom.
4 + 9.
Ruby. Dimitri. Johnny, why did you abandon Dimitri?
Huh?
Why did you abandon Dimitri? How come you guys broke up?
Bro,
Yeah.
yo, like he don't want to say.
Dimitri, why did you break up with Johnny? Like, you guys are so good, buddy.
You don't want to say the fellow. You said what? You're all over the place.
All over the place. Siki here. Amir here. William here. So 1 absent, 2 absent. You don't have to because they already gave you both of them. No. What? So what's the equation of any line?
Y minus y1 is m
What is M?
y prime.
Did you find y prime?
Well, that was the question. How does prime is the only substance of the x or the y?
First you have to find your y prime.
Okay.
That's the slope.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, so it's right here.
Mhm.
We substitute in the y. Now we have both of them.
Exactly. So here x is missing.
Yeah.
So you need the x first. That's why you substitute to get the x.
Okay.
Once you have x and y, then you got to slope.
Oh, I gotta do this, right?
Depends whatever function you have.
Okay.
Yep, you have x and y together. So you're going to take the derivative of each.
But wait, so I substitute. Okay.
You do not substitute until you find your slope, until you find your derivative.
Okay.
So here, this step is unnecessary because you already have x and y both of them.
Okay.
We just need a slope. What is slope? the derivative. So find the derivative and then substitute into the derivative.
Alright, so. I need help. Alright, so I do this first, right? I put this as a
So-
variable.
X to the power 1/2, dxy, y to the 4th, part 1. And then to the
Wait,
derivative.
it's. I have, right here.
So 1/2 comes down, 1 minus 1, correct. And what do you do here?
Negative 3 xy to the power what? Negative 1?
Huh?
Negative 3 xy to the power negative 1.
Why do you have negative 1 power?
Because 0 minus 1. What?
See here, we had xy together.
Yeah.
So how do you take the derivative?
Oh.
So far, right? This is right so far.
Oh.
So 2 square root of x, good. And then we have
Maybe minus 3.
Got it?
3yx, and then, oops, 3xy prime. And then 4yq y prime. And then you're solving for y prime. What?
Wait,
You-
so, I'm not, I'm just,
So
no,
funny.
that's getting pushed.
I know, I thought of it.
Alright, so. There were 3x, and y is 2.
Okay, so you're bringing this.
Yeah, I skipped a few.
So you have negative 3y plus 5. And then negative 3x y prime part.
Yeah.
4yq, and you forgot to write y prime as well.
Oh, wait. I took it out, I skipped one step, that's what. I
You
put
know,
that right
just
here.
guys, will you-
Then put
you-
everything from.
Yeah, but anytime you take a derivative y, you should indicate.
Yeah,
that.
I made a mistake. Oh, sorry, I moved it right
You
here,
didn't make a
sorry.
mistake, so-
I rewrote it back here. That's why I did. Sorry.
So negative 2.
Mhm.
What is this here? Negative 2
Times
is
negative
1
4
half
times two.
to the 1 half.
Yeah.
So
I
you
got
have
you, I got you.
3y negative 3x1.
Got you later, dude.
So you're adding 3y to, and you took the y prime out, so negative 3y positive 4y cubed, you divide, and then you substitute.
Yeah.
So you pull is x, y is 1. So 2 divided by 2 is negative 1.
Oh,
Y
it's
is
right here.
like a negative 1 plus 3. Negative 3 plus 4, so 1 and 2, which is 2. So y minus 1, 2 x minus 4. Distribute 8 plus 1. So,
Oh, it took 2 pages, huh. Okay, thank you.
Am I adding something or subtracting this?
and what happened to the sign between the first term and second term?
It's right here, the negative 3.
But negative 3 is the second term.
Yeah, so I subtract.
How come you're making these mistakes, Pedro?
I'm wrong.
Okay, so derivative of this is this one.
Okay,
Then you have a sign, you have to bring your sign down.
okay.
And then to the derivative of this. So when you the derivative of this, so you do not put parentheses here. Okay? Because parentheses is multiplication. Are you multiplying the first term with the second term?
No, you're multiplying with this one.
Yeah, but you're not multiplying this with that. If you put a parenthesis
Oh, so just
between
put it
them,
outside of, okay.
if you put a parenthesis between them, that means you're multiplying this two.
Got it. Okay. This is this, right? What's that?
Yeah.
Got it.
Almost correct.
No, I don't know what to do with that 4. I thought the 4 would like
So
disappear.
4 is on the numerator.
It's on the
It
numerator.
doesn't disappear, it says
Oh, because
numerator.
it's multiplied back with that.
So you take 4 divided by 2, which will give you 2 on the numerator. And then you have negative 3y, good. And see here subtracting. Because you're subtracting, this sign will actually be minus.
It should actually, no matter.
Distribute.
Okay.
Easy.
So this is negative 3x y prime and 4y 3y prime here. And then you choose, so 4 is here, so if you, so if you simplify.
So would it be 2x?
So this will go here, this will go here,
Right, yeah.
and then pull out by prime. Rewrite questions for the X, which one called? The first you rewrite and then you read the call.
My last one. Okay, so now I understand what he's putting all that, like all that on one side.
Go chat.
What is there to y to the four?
X or Y for 30.
Only that?
So what you got?
Your prime. What else? What do you think?
So I got this. I got this.
Derivative of y, what do you get?
Is it 4Y?
Y prime. Y
For
prime.
y cube, then y prime.
So, cubed and then prime cubed? Yeah. So you missed.
That's right, right?
Cubed then.
Yes.
Looks okay.
Yo, I'm so smart.
Dimitri got it correct, so you can get
What?
his help.
You low key dumb. And then
So you're missing your y prime after 4y.
yo, I got it right.
Right there.
Congrats, you want something?
Yeah.
Not y
so-
cube prime, it's y cube and then y prime.
I don't know how you spell it.
I just figured.
But you're not looking for answer, you're looking for how.
Alright.
And see the minus, so we're missing things. This minus is here. And then which is the first and second term minus. No, this is your multiplying them. So this, everything goes inside your parentheses. The cube is F,
So we need to keep it now.
so this will times the negative.
Wait, that's, so I put,
But you're not done, right?
yeah, I just put 4, x equals 4 and y equals 1
Mhm.
into this equation
To get M,
to get m, and then I put it into,
y minus y1, that formula.
oh, okay. Oh, yeah, that's easy. That's easy.
Negative CS plus two, this one, right? Okay, your M is wrong. Okay. So I think it's very easy. This is 4x, the x is 1, and y
One
is,
second.
x is 4, y is 1. Dimitri, what do you want the denominator? Negative 3x
Oh, I think it's
on the derivative?
Oh.
Yeah, but he got a whole number, not a fraction.
Wait, I got fraction 2. I got fraction 2. This, right? This, right? What?
He has 5.
No, I got two. Wait, give me a second.
Let me check.
Don't you have?
Oh, it's 3y. How come you get 3x?
Wait, you don't get X when you do that.
What are you talking about, bro?
Look at other equations, we always have like a Y.
That's
or
still right.
the denominator. You don't get X.
3y.
Yeah, look, after you do,
You keep
you see right here? Yeah.
It's an x. Oh, no, 3x. Yeah, why did you 3x go?
Oh, yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah. We took the y prime out. Oh, no, this is
Oh,
negative
yeah.
3x.
Yo, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Wait, what you got?
So this is not a whole number, this is a
You got
fraction.
put M.
So this is not 1, this is 4.
Wait.
I don't know how you got.
What? Look,
Because this is x,
Two.
not y.
over
So you
this
divide
is
here.
1.
X.
12.
So.
Oh, that's 3. That's
negative
3.
That's
Plus
12,
Oh, 5. Wait.
Negative.
How you get this for?
So 2 over.
Y
negative
one?
eight, Negative 1 over 4.
That's 5.
2. We have 2.
The top is correct. Yeah.
Y.
It's on the bottom.
Yeah.
That turned into like a 3 Y. I mean,
4y. Oh, wait. So how?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
So it's negative 8, negative 1 over 4.
So,
Number 4.
1 over 4.
1 over 4?
Denominator is bigger.
Oh, so they're gonna put negative 1 over 4. Okay.
So this is actually, not.
on her, bro.
We-
So,
So
what you got?
this is the denominator 1/2.
Yeah.
So you have 2 divided by 2, 1. -1 plus 3 is plus 2 or plus 4.
After you have like -1/4, right? And we plug it into like the MX plus we get y equals like.
No, I think I looked at the for Y four, I just that got to 4 -1.
Y4 becomes okay, 4y cubed,
Four Y cubed.
That's what it was.
Oh. So like Y
1
cubed.
fourth of 4
Yeah.
is 1.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
what I
just
was.
put on both my negatives like that.
Wait,
Okay.
1 has x plus 2.
I was looking
And
mine.
I simplify that.
So the thing is,
Wow, we are taking 20 minutes to do one question.
-1.
But this is only the slope. You're looking for the equation of the tangent line. Okay, guys, let's do it together. One of these
Oh, wait, we have a quiz today.
today.
Oh.
That's why I'm doing all of this. So you know, one question, find the equation of the tangent line. So again, equation of any line is y minus y1 slope, y minus y1 slope, x minus x1. So in this question, they're asking find the equation of the tangent line of the curve 4 square root of x minus 3xy plus y to the 4 equals -3 at x value 4, y value 1. So they already told us our y value is 1, our x value is 4. So y minus 1 and then x minus 4. The only thing we don't know is slope. So we need to find the slope. Another name for slope is what? Derivative. Derivative, which is either y prime, or if you like to dy dx, then it's dy dx. This is what slope means. So we have 4 square root of x. We need to rewrite that using a power. So we can use power rule. Minus 3xy plus y to the 4 equals -3. Now, this one doesn't have any y, so we can move this from left to the right. You don't have to, but this will make your life easier. So -3xy plus y to the 4, -3 minus 4, x to the 1/2. And now we take the derivative. Unfortunately, we have x and y together, so it's product rule. Let's say f is -3x and our g is the y. So then what is f prime? -3 and g prime? Y prime. So we write down our formula. F prime g plus g prime f. So f prime is -3. We multiply by original g function, which is y, plus we have we have g prime is y prime, and our f is -3x. In other words, the plus sign turns into a minus sign. And then we have our y to the 4. What's the derivative of y to the 4?
oh, I got it.
You have to
got it.
rewrite square root using a power 1/2. And then the power rule. Power comes down, power -1. We are going to do this. So what is the derivative of y to the 4? 4y cubed, only that?
Y prime.
You must write y prime. What is derivative of any constant?
Zero.
0. So we have -4. So Salahuddin, this is what we do. This is what we do. You bring the power down as a coefficient, and then you subtract 1 from the power. No, power is 1/2. Square root of x means x to the 1/2 power. So this 1/2 comes down and you subtract 1 from 1/2. So we get x to the -1/2. Half of 4. What is half of 4? 2. And also this one doesn't have any y prime, so we add the 3y to both sides. And if you observe these two terms, they have y prime. So we take out y prime as a common factor. Y prime. And we get -3x plus 4y cubed. On the other side, we get 2x to the -1/2 plus the 3y. Yes, it's a -2x to the -1/2. So let me erase this and keep going on. So y prime is -2 square root of x, which is this. This is basically means the 1/2 power is on the denominator, which is here. And you have plus the 3y. One of them probably will be given. What you have to find, but either one will be given or both of them will be given. I have to see.
Wait, how do you find out?
Here. Here only y was given, so how do you find x?
Oh, just plug in. Oh.
If one of them is given, just plug in to get the other one. If both of them are given, you skip that step. So you divide both sides by this thing, -3x plus 4y cubed. So this is our derivative. Derivative is done. But our slope is not done. Slope needs a number. So we need to use x value 4 and y value 1 to substitute in this formula. We get -2 square root of 4 plus 3 times 1 divided by -3 times 4 plus 4 times 1 cube. Then -2/2 plus 3, -12 plus 4. We get 1 plus 3/-8, which is 4/-8. So our slope is -1/2.
Wait, what? Wait. It's
Sorry,
not
sorry.
1/4.
Yeah, come on. It's 2, not 4.
No, wait. Wait, what?
So this is 2, so this is -1/4. What did I have before? 1/2. Okay, 1/4. Not 1/2, it's 1/4. But they're not asking for slope. They're asking for equation. So we write equation of the tangent line is y minus y1 slope x minus x1. Did I make a mistake anywhere? So y minus 1, our slope we found -1/4. x minus 4. So we distribute and we add 1. So y equals negative 1/4 of x minus negative 1/4 of negative 4, and then the plus 1. But this 4 and 4 cancel out. The minus and the minus turn into a plus. The final answer is y equals negative 1/4 of x plus 1, which is negative 1/4 of x plus 2. Okay. Any question? Derivative of negative 3 is 0. Now I'll give you 5 minutes to think about these.
Wait, exit taken.
Hmm?
That's exit taken.
Now you're going to take a quiz.
Oh.
So let me actually make the quiz real quick.
I'm not doing it like that, dog. No, I'm not.
They both are same. One bill will be given between x and y. One of them will be given. Minus 2 plus 4.
What are you supposed to, I'm looking at my partner paper, and it says that you're supposed to have this in place of the derivative here. Weren't we supposed to find the derivative for the, all the equations before we started the rest of this?
This is finding derivative. Yeah.
No, I know, but like, when we supposed to find like individual derivatives, like this would become this, right? 2 over
No,
x.
so this is the derivative once you convert this into that. So this step is the derivative. The 1/4 comes down, and then 1/2 comes down, and then 1/2 minus 1. So here you have 1/2 of whole, which is 2. and then x to the negative 1/2 power, because 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1. So this is the derivative of that.
Yeah, I understand.
And you find the derivative to find your slope. So here they gave you both of them, x value and y value. If one of them is given, the other is missing, then step 1 is find out the other one. Luckily, here both of them are given here.
No, I understand that. My question was specifically that, well, on the example on the board too, it seemed as though only this one wasn't changed for the rest of this program problem. Like down here when we do the subtraction, like on the board, it was subtracting this, which would be 4x.
Oh, so what I did was I said, if you want to make your life easier, bring all the non-y term in one side. So this one doesn't have any y, bring it to the other side.
So we didn't have to deal with this at the time. Oh, okay, all right, that makes sense. Thank you.
That wasn't me.
Find the equation of the tangent line of the curve. Question?
Yes.
One second. It should be. Okay.
So you check the
For this one, we change it to 4y to 30.
4y cube, and then you have to write 2y prime. Anytime you take the derivative of y, you must write y prime.
But then afterwards,
It doesn't have any y.
oh yeah, and then
And what you did was
okay, I get it. No.
bad, because this is the original function, but you have to take the derivative. So you started showing wrong here.
Yo, I'm saving.
So subtract 4x to the 1/2 from both sides.
That's you.
So when you take the derivative, you get 0, 4, 3. And this is negative 4 times 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. So this is wrong. What do you have? This is half of 4, which is 2. So negative 2, and negative half power means it's on the denominator.
Alright.
And then here, this 3y term doesn't have any y prime, so you're moving it to the other side, so you're adding that. Ready?
I'm ready. The
Okay, straight, at least few columns in the middle. Please straight down.
oh, wait. You got it. You gotta go for break this. I'm not trying to get this.
Why not? What's the difference?
Cause like the paper will fall out.
Really, it does? Wow,
I got this one.
that's true.
I can't help but use those.
You need a new notebook soon.
Well,
Okay, one of these questions will be in the final exam. One of these type. In the final, you have at least 2, I think.
yeah.
From derivative, you're going to have all 5 types. Power rule, product rule, quotient rule, chain rule, implicit, all 5 types will be in the final exam.
I think I kind of need help.
Okay, so later. Jenny, move forward.
Yeah.
Not tilted.
I'm in the front, though.
You're in a tilted position. Be straight,
Can't
straight.
see the board.
Come here.
I'm going-
Move your desk. Move your desk. Come in front of Jawad. Mhm.
That's good.
And you are in that position. You are in horizontal position. You should be in vertical position.
I can't see.
Okay, once you copy, then straight. Okay,
Yeah,
straight
that's
your
bad.
feet. Thank you. Good, thank you. Don't forget to write your name on the paper.
Well, you find X first, right? I'm plugging into the equation.
It gives you one S.
Oh, yeah, question.
No, what's talking?
One question. One question. One question. Wait, so this is B, this is B prime. That is right. That's right, right?
Using PreCalculus, how do you use PreCalculus? Using the PreCalculus. Write out your PreCalculus. F times G, write it out.
Yo, you're helping him though.
No, I'm not helping you.
You're giving him the equation though.
So do you have the same thing here? You do this, you don't this.
Oh. Why is it 3 Y's?
It's all funny. Don't forget to write your name on it. Thank you. We still have 5 more minutes. So read it again on the next page. Unexamined X. What's the derivative of X squared?
Can you check my slope? Wait, Professor. Can you check my slope?
You didn't find the slope, you found the formula. You didn't slope. The number is slope.
Yeah, no, but that is right.
You did the formula slope, I'm not.
I don't,
can tell you formula slope, I can tell you a number slope. What is it?
Wait, I have a question. Alright, wait.
You do factor two y prime or y prime?
You only factor y prime because you need to solve for y prime.
Oh,
This number is wrong, so that means something is wrong with the derivative.
Something probably
Probably.
like here. Is it?
Definitely something is wrong, right? That's why this number is wrong.
Okay,
I mean,
so
this number only.
Just let me know, does it have anything to do with this?
This one looks okay.
Okay, so how do I get this one? I'll take out the like something else.
This slope is correct.
Oh.
So since the slope is correct, check your work whether this is correct or not. I think this slope is correct. Right? Let me get myself to see. It doesn't have any prime. What's the derivative of x? Yeah. X doesn't have any prime.
Whoa, is this right?
Mhm.
No?
Mhm.
What? So, up here is right, right? Up to here is right.
I do not know. I do. Look, it's a quiz, okay? No more question, please.
no, it's like,
No, Johnny, you're done. No more question. Yeah.
oh,
Okay, this is correct. This is correct. So slow. What is the number for the slope? So it's right. I don't know. I think I just know the number. What number you have for slope? 1/18, but negative or positive, you have to check. Which one you have to check? 6.
Is it a fraction?
It's a fraction, but this one is wrong.
Where did I go wrong?
oh.
I'm checking myself. So Checking. And it's 1/18, a positive or negative? That I'm not sure.
Right? No. No, that's not the slope though. No. This is the slope.
Eighteen is right, but the sign I don't know.
The sine?
Sign. I'm
Oh,
not sure.
wait.
Jesse, look at this sign. I'm not sure whether it's right or not. The sign, the number is correct, but the sign I don't know.
Sorry, I simplified it more.
Ah, negative 1 to power 2 is 1 though.
You need it one and this.
One word.
They are in a relationship. How can you break them apart?
No, Perez.
No,
Wait.
it becomes the same thing.
Huh?
Did you check it?
Everyone is bothering me. I do not
Wait,
have
wait.
time to check.
Alright.
So is it negative parenthesis
I don't
to
know.
power 2 or the negative is just
I do not know. Time is up. Whatever you have.
Ah.
Hey,
Yeah.
please.
Who dropped this?
And it's 1/8, but I don't know whether it's positive or negative.
That's right.
I don't know. 1/89, but the sign, I do not know. I do
I
not
did it
remember.
right here because they're like term. That's why.
You cannot cancel them because the denominator have a relationship. It cannot break it cannot break boyfriend and girlfriend. They're very strong.
Oh,
Okay?
yeah.
Did you write it? Simplify.
that's this then.
Huh?
It's this.
No.
Pretty sure the sign correct.
Sign is correct? Okay.
What do you mean no?
Doesn't look correct.
It doesn't look correct. You told me this sign was wrong.
I did not say sign was wrong. I said I do not know the sign. I only the number. Ready? Whatever you have, give me. Whatever you have.
2 minutes.
Wait. Partial credit, alright?
Okay, then I can do this. I can give you another quiz tomorrow.
No.
I didn't do all this. I didn't do all this for nothing.
If I give you another quiz tomorrow, then this one doesn't count.
Right?
So what do you prefer, today or tomorrow? I know the number is okay, but the sign I don't know.
Okay, miss, I have
And
this,
so for why?
I have this, but I didn't distribute
So for
the X
what?
to get full credit.
So for why?
What do you
When we
mean?
saw-
solve for why?
I did solve for Y.
You
No,
did?
solve for why here. Should be y equals 7 plus 4.
Can you distribute?
I didn't get to finish it.
Yeah, but solve is right.
Wait, so if you go to quiz tomorrow, there's still another count?
So guys, what do you want to do? Take a quiz tomorrow or this one?
Tomorrow.
What's today?
Okay, only if you're confused.
Whichever is a
give
better
me-
grade.
I do not have time grade 2. So, if you have
No.
please submit. If you're not confident, then take the quiz tomorrow.
No. Can I
Can you go over this tomorrow?
Can I submit this to check and then
Not the same one. I'm gonna give you similar question.
wait,
No, can you like review this one?
yeah. No, can I submit this to check?
Alright, I'm not.
If you're submitting, you're not going to take quiz tomorrow.
Why?
Look, I don't have time to grade
Oh, no,
everything.
just tell me if it's right or wrong.
It looks wrong.
It looks wrong?
Professor.
No.
I mean,
I'll take it tomorrow.
No, no.
I'll return it in.
What does this look like? Moving on.
Oh, who's good at math?
you're not going to take tomorrow, so why they say you're
Yeah.
not going to take it?
Well, if I can still do it, is it on?
I don't know. I don't have the answer.
Yo, professor. If I'm right and then
Both of these.
and then you told me it's wrong.
So Alexandra, you don't take it, okay? Maxine, are you confident? So you want to wait this one, okay? Elise, do you want to take it tomorrow? Okay. Jennifer,
Wait. Let me see her answer.
see, you're confident, right? Okay.
Yo,
Eileen,
We simplify.
We have to simplify all the.
Okay.
I do not have the answer. So if you're confident, submit even not.
Wait, you don't have the answer?
I do not have the answer.
I'm good.
I don't know.
Then I'm going to take the quiz tomorrow.
Is this the same thing?
That's like a gamble though. I'm pretty sure I'm right though. Pretty sure I'm right.
You know, I'm gonna go, Professor. I think I got it. I'm done with the quiz. I think it's something like it.
Yeah, it's a slow quiz, but you.
Okay, so
Now I know you're 120.
tomorrow you can submit. If you're submitting, then you can.
Five minus one, plus one.
I'm not gonna grade 2 papers, okay?
Please,
One.
please, please.
Do we get partial credit?
Nah. If you get it right, you get it right. If you get it wrong, you get me ticket.
Wait, can I get like 90% credit? Cause I'm very close. I just can't distribute.
You have to distribute.
But I don't know how-
Why has MX plus before now?
I'm not good with fractions though.
Is
We're
is
gonna
that?
do this tomorrow? Right? Huh? Are you not going to take the quiz tomorrow?
I am.
Then I do not.
Is this the same question?
Of course, it's the same.
Exactly, it's so big.
I'm going to grade only one paper. So
Yo, it's so big.
tomorrow.
Wait, keep. Real quick.
Yo, please. Now, if you get it right, you get it right.
Still go.
No, please.
Bye bye. I'm going to go over this question tomorrow.
Nah.